to all the runners na ako magpasalamat kog dako kay for this noble intention. Actually, this is not just a celebrity run. Naa sa mga beneficiaries nga ikuan si Aida Patana, and one of which is ang atong home, kaning Hope for Mandawi.
Sa MTalents, congratulations to you for organizing this really big event here in Cebu, and it's very nice to see all the Cebuanos out very early in the morning na mudagan sila. So congratulations niyo tanan at magkita-kita sa daan.
Baby, turn around, floating so high above the ground.
Na mga taga Cebu, how do you say umaga? Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan, and it's nice to be back here in Cebu, and I'll be running with my husband Arnel, and to MTalents, congratulations, and looking forward for more fun runs in the future.
Turn around.
Okay, 12 runners, get ready!
Ooh, turn around. There's no limit.
Bahalag! Dagan ako tibo kalibutan, basta ikaw ang finish line.
I wanna feel it all, yeah. And baby, we'll stay up, 'cause there's no way for us.
MTalents, dahil salamat. Congratulations on your anniversary. And thank you for having me.
10, 9, 8, 7, okay, wait for the gunshot. 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
We're very excited. We're very near the start time of the MTalents Fun Run. We hope that everybody has a good time. We've done everything we can to ensure the safety of all of the participants, and we're looking forward to a very, very enjoyable event.
Sana mag-enjoy lahat, and of course kay Ate Aida, congratulations kasi sobrang kitang-kita naman successful. So yun, enjoy mamaya, and good morning to everyone.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn.
Happy 5th anniversary sa MTalents, and congratulations to a very successful event.
I don't care. I love it. I don't care.
Celebrity, I was able to influence ang ating mga kapamilya out there to join and participate. This is not just for, staying fit and healthy, which is one thing that we would love to promote, but also this is for a cause. So nindot kayo siya because it will go a long way ang ilang pag-appeal.
I love it. I don't care. You're on a different road. I'm in the Milky Way. You want me down on Earth, but I am up in space. You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s.
Sa lahat ng runners na nakasama namin ngayong araw, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had fun with us. I hope you had fun running. And of course, to MTalents, congratulations on your 5th year happy anniversary.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I don't care.
Grabe, pasalamat ko sa Cebu. Grabe lang suporta, labi na ni Mayor kanang Luigi Kisumbing, Congressman Jonas Cortez, ug labi na ni Senyorito Mr. Lolier. Grabe ang suporta og sa tanan taga Cebu, Mandawi. Grabe to all my sponsors.
Don't care. I love it. I don't care.
Na-excite, tapos nag-enjoy, at medyo nakakapagod pala.
I don't care. I love it. I love it. I don't care.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Sa
Sana po matapos natin itong event na to ng maayos, walang masaktan. Enjoy lang po tayo ngayon.
Hi everyone! So we're finally here for our final day of this event. Well, so far, based on what we've been expecting, so far maayo jud ang pagdagan sa mong fun run, and a lot of people participated, and we are so very happy that Veneration is here to participate. And thank you so much for support. Thank you so much, and hopefully soon you'll support us also. Thank you.
Masaya kasi like you can see people na pag nakita ka nila natutuwa sila na kasabay ka nila tumatakbo, tapos masabay sila sa'yo tumakbo, so it was fun.
All the runners and to all the sponsors, I would just like to thank all of them for supporting this event. You know, I was really amazed with the turnouts. I was not expecting that it will come out this way. No, siguro just because of not only for the celebrities, but for sure I know that the Cebuanos already aware with regards to fitness and sports. So this is what we call really a fun run. This is what we call really a fun run. No, it's just for fun and partly for fitness. So well, everybody's enjoying the run.
Nag-enjoy po kami, and marami akong nakasabay na talagang masayang-masaya din sila sa ginagawa natin ngayong umaga. So yeah, thank you so much Ate Aida sa pag-invite mo sa amin, and hopefully next year ulit.
So it's so much fun, and ang sarap kasi alam niyo naman na ever since way back 22 years ago, into fitness na tayo, starting out before the hunks, sa commercials, hunks, up to now, I'm 37, I'm still into healthy lifestyle, di ba? Para no fad diets, no secret to success, talagang hard work and consistency. So, para ang ganda na 7,000 people running towards fitness and health, taking good care of themselves early in the morning at 4 a.m. and at the same time, 5th anniversary ng MTalents. So, congratulations sa Aida Patana, Stephanie, kay Mayan, and sa inyo lahat na bumubuo na MTalents. Congratulations and great job. And sa lahat ng mga Cebuanos na kasabay ko tumakbo, inunahan ko, lahat tayo. That was so much fun. Yeah, thank you. Daghang salamat.
Sa lahat po, dagang salamat po sa lahat po ng mga Cebuanos. Nag-enjoy po ako, na-push ako, na-motivate ako kahit na medyo wala pang tulog, pero nakita ko na masaya yung mga Cebuano, tsaka they interact, they communicate with us, kaya nakakatuwa po. Mabuhay ang mga Cebuano.
Fitness is a way of life. Congratulations MTalent for this very successful event, 5th anniversary. Congratulations Miss Aida.
First of all, happy anniversary MTalents. I'm very happy for the success of your company, and I'm very glad you guys were able to invite me here to join with you guys today. I'm expecting to be a very nice day full of happiness, good vibes, and everybody's really running for a cause and trying to be healthy here today sa Cebu. So thank you so much for everybody who joined us, and see you in the road.
So sa tingin ko ito yung pinakaumpisa ng Cebu City, yung mga ganitong gathering. So sa tingin ko naman very successful. So good luck.
To the runners and the talents for today, good luck everybody and enjoy of course.
Akala ko interview, okay. Ang message ko, of course, thank you so much sa MTalent na sa mga event nila na hindi nila ako makakalimutan. Of course, kay Miss Guapa, si Aida, And then this is the first time na event nila na run. Siyempre, dito pa rin yung beauty ko. So, thank you so much sa mga tao na nag-effort din. Gumising talaga sila ng maaga. Yung iba, gutom pa. Pero pumunta talaga sila to support. And makita din yung mga artista na kumayos kayo Artista lang yung pinunta nyo. Tumakbo kayo, no? Oo, yun. Thank you sana marami pa tong darating ng mga event at yung run. Siyempre, kailangan din natin mag-exercise at saka every year kung mangyari siya, at least mayroon tayong big event na magkita-kita tayo every year. Thank you, bye!
Doon sa mga runners, make sure na mag-warm up muna kayo, mag-stretching muna kayo. Especially yung sasali sa mga 15K. Ako, 3K lang ako. Of course, I would like to congratulate my friend, Aida. Tagal na kayo magkaibigan yan. Alam ko, napakasipag niyan. At ito naman, nagbunga naman ang inyong pagpapagod. Talagang first time yata ito in the history of Cebu na magkaroon ng itong kalaking run or celebrity run. So, congratulations. At hindi lang nakakapagpasaya, kundi mayroong beneficiary din yung proceeds dito, no? And of course, nagpapasalamat din ako sa lahat ng sumuporta sa anniversary ng MTalents, sa mga kapulisan, yan, sa mga, syempre mga runners, kung wala yung mga runners, wala ito. So, hopefully next year, magkita-kita mo na yun.
Veneration, yeah! Yay! Paligaw was excited kami!
I wish you all good luck for running and God bless you guys. Good day. Yeah.
Good luck mamaya. At mamaya gabi magkita-kita tayo, may show ko.
Yes, super fun po nung fun run this year. Sobrang masaya po ako na in-invite po ako dito sa fun run. 3K po yung tinakbo ko ngayon and feeling ko nga medyo bitin. Next year, I'll convince myself to go harder and run longer. So, sana next year magkaroon ulit. Yes, Miss Aida, maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa amin dito. Sobrang nag-enjoy po kami. And sa susunod po, maraming salamat.